choice today with the 2018 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in the small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated front seats, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.